For the DIY balloon Easter egg tree, you'll need the following materials. 1 4-foot white Treetopia Christmas tree, 1 balloon hand pump, a dull edge stick to double stuff my balloons, 5-inch latex balloons. I'll be using turquoise, pink, and coral, but want to make them lighter. So I'll be using white to create lighter shades of my color scheme. Acrylic paint markers that match my color scheme, scissors, a hot glue gun, and crepe paper roll. To begin, I'll double stuff the balloons, which will be my ornaments on my tree. To do this, insert the darker shade balloon onto the stick first. Then, slide the white balloon over the darker shade balloon. Repeat this process until you've double stuffed all of your balloons. For my tree, I'll be using about 12 to 15 balloon eggs. Make sure once you've inflated the balloons that they have the shape of the balloon egg. Make sure there's enough air in them to create this effect. Also, make sure you have extra balloons for popping accidents. Once you've done inflating all your balloons, make sure you cut off the tail. This will make sure they look just like Easter eggs. Once all of the balloons are inflated, it's time to decorate your balloon eggs. Using the acrylic paint markers, draw directly on the balloon any design you choose. I went with repetitive floral patterns in monochromatic tones. Make sure you leave enough time to dry before putting on your tree. To make the bow tree topper, take the crepe paper roll and cut a strip of about 7 inches in width. Take the strip of crepe paper roll and fold it in half. This will mark the middle of the bow. Using the hot glue gun, glue each side down of the bow to create it. Once you've glued this, singe the middle to create the bow. Place hot glue in the middle of the singeing to secure the bow. Now take a strip of crepe paper and wrap around the middle of the bow and secure it with hot glue gun. Remember to fluff up your bow at the end. Now, take the remaining of your crepe paper roll and unroll it to about 20 to 24 inches. Once you've unrolled and cut, take this one piece and cut it into 3 even strips. Make sure you're using the long side. This will be the legs of the bow. Once you've completed this process, we're ready to decorate our Treetopia tree. Singe the top of the legs to secure it to the tree. Make sure that you're singeing at the top and about 3/4 of the way down to create a fluffed bow leg. Using the tree branches, secure the legs to their placement on the tree. Cut the ends off of the legs into a V shape to create the end of the bow legs. Using hot glue, adhere the bow to the top of the legs. Now look at that. Isn't that so cute? We're ready to decorate our tree with the balloon eggs. I just love these balloon eggs. Gently place and secure the Easter eggs into the tree. Make sure the eggs aren't placed directly to the edge of a tree branch. This may cause them to pop. Place them as you'd like and make sure that your entire tree is full of Easter eggs. Instead of a tree skirt, make larger balloon eggs of different sizes and cluster them along the bottom. This really gives it such a fun effect. Thanks for watching!